Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Bozdogan. It's great to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about AIC therapy, anti-orbital ionic calcium therapy. Get ready to hear something powerful. This could be a turning point in your health journey. AIC therapy is a breakthrough that helps your body find balance again and activates your natural healing power. For many people, it is the missing piece. But first, let's take a closer look at what calcium really does in your body. Calcium is not just for bones and teeth. It helps your heartbeat, your muscles move, and your brain send messages. Even your immune system needs it. When calcium is low, your whole body can feel out of balance. That's how important calcium really is. Your body is smart. It keeps calcium levels tightly balanced all day, every day. Even small changes, too high or too low, can affect you. That's why your body works hard to control calcium all the time. We use calcitonin and parathyroid hormone for this precise regulation. But calcium does more than balance. It also sends messages between cells. Did you know your cells talk using calcium? These small calcium signals control how your cells grow, heal, and handle stress. But when these signals get off track, you can feel tired, get pain, or even develop chronic illness. The good news? Fixing those signals helps your body reset and heal. Let's talk about cellular calcification and how it is affecting diseases. When calcium goes to the wrong places in your body, it can cause serious health problems. This is known as cellular calcification. Understanding how calcium can affect your cells is the first step in addressing many chronic conditions that stem from it. When calcium is out of balance, your cells cannot work properly. You lose energy, toxins build up, and inflammation starts. Over time, this can cause bigger problems like tiredness, pain, and even serious illness. And guess what? It often begins with bone loss. So, how do we fix it? This is exactly where AIC therapy steps in. AIC therapy enhances cellular communication and restores calcium balance, helping to reverse harmful calcium buildup in the body. Let's take a closer look at how AIC therapy works. On the right side, we have regular calcium, which is not active form. It's tightly bound, making it harder for your body to use. Even if it's released, it doesn't easily perform its intended function. On the left side, AIC calcium, which is in active form, ready to use form. Its weak binding allows it to detach easily and work effectively. AIC therapy is different from regular calcium. It doesn't need to go through your intestines. It's absorbed straight through your stomach wall. It goes into your blood as active ionic calcium, the active form your body uses right away, no extra steps. So it works faster, supports your cells better, and can even wake up unused calcium already in your body. When we remove extra calcium from your cells, stress and inflammation go down fast. That helps your cells work the right way again. Then your body starts to heal. Oxygen flows better, your immune system gets stronger, you feel it too. Stronger bones, more energy, and better overall health. Many health problems start with calcium imbalance. AIC therapy helps fix this by restoring calcium signaling and helping your cells heal. It brings your body back into balance. Want to feel better? Visit our website to learn more. I would love to hear from you. Thank you very much for listening. I am Dr. Server, and I am here to serve you.